If you're choosing to use ArcGIS for the context or cover map, you'll first want to make sure that the scale is correct before exporting. If you look at the top bar of the screen and select the drop-down menu, you'll want to use the 1 to 24,000 map. This will reset to the map scale that we desire for the cover and context maps. Next, we'll go to File and Export Map. And we'll want to select the AI file option from the drop-down Save Type menu. This will ensure that we'll be able to open the map easily in Illustrator. And we can select Save. In this case, I had already saved the map and we will just replace. Now we can navigate to Illustrator. And we'll be able to open the file. You may receive a notification that this was created in a previous version. That should be okay at this point since we'll just be locking the initial layer and drawing on top of it for assignment 1. Now that we have the map in Illustrator, we will go to the Layers panel and lock that initial layer and then add another to start drawing on top of this. The map should be scaled 1 to 24,000 feet, which means that if we view the rulers, show rulers, the map will be to scale at 1 inch equals 2,000 feet. We can draw this scale bar by selecting the pen tool, selecting anywhere on the map, and simply scaling to 1 inch. And hitting the Enter key. This will allow us to show the 1 inch scale equals 2,000 feet on the map.